What's up? What's up? So I just want to make sure that we are rocking and rolling. Let's see. All right. Test. What up? What up? It's your boy Jay Cobb. So real quick, let me just make sure that that I am live. All right. What's happening? So if you guys can hear me okay, be sure to let me know. All right, just making sure that I am live and good to go. All right, checking my sound out. All right, I think we're looking good. What you think? What you think, peeps? What you think, peeps? All right. So here's the deal. What's happening? What's happening? And in this video, guys. First of all, I want to ask you a question. All right. Would you like to get better at recruiting? Simple as that. Would you like to get better at recruiting? And do me a favor. On a scale 1 to 10 right now, what do you believe your level of comfort is with when it comes to recruiting? All right. And be honest, you know what I mean? But you got to know where you at in order to know where you're trying to go. All right. In this video, I basically want to invite you guys to a free recruiting workshop that's going to be going on tomorrow evening. All right. So depending on when you're watching this video, that's going to be Wednesday night, and the date will be the 25th. All right, at 8 o'clock p.m. Central Time. All right. So I'm going to share all the details. For the people that actually want to participate, hop on. It's absolutely free. All right. You're going to meet some amazing people. You're going to learn some amazing information, right? Some pretty cool strategies. And I'm just going to go over a few things that you're going to learn. And also, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can be part of our 1K giveaway and some pretty cool bonuses. All right. So is that cool? Is that cool? So I need you guys to do me a favor. All right. If you are in some type of business of some sort, network marketing, a home-based business, be sure to let me know by putting the number 1. All right. Also, I know I asked you guys on a scale 1 to 10, what is your, recruiting level, right? Expertise. Make sure you kind of break that up a little bit. That way you're not putting a 1 on your recruiting level, unless you are 1. All right. And that's cool. All right. But the thing is this. Give me some emojis. Let some emojis fly if you guys can hear me okay. All right. Let me know if you guys also, if you get value. All right. So here's the deal. A recruiting workshop that we're putting on tomorrow evening. All right. What you're going to have to do, you're going to have to let me know by the end of this video that you want to join. All right, so in the comments below, anytime during this video something resonates, something makes sense, and you want to be part of this free recruiting workshop, be sure to put in the comments below me. All right, put me. All right, so Yvonne, what's going on? So there's gonna be a real short trainer. Yvonne says she's a 6. Awesome, girl. Awesome. All right, so here's the deal. This free recruiting workshop. All right, so also stick around. I'm going to share with you guys some pretty cool bonuses and prizes that you're going to actually be able to leverage and be part of if you decide to hop on tomorrow night. All right. Now, let's say you happen to be catching this video a week later or a month later. Look, it doesn't matter. Send me a personal message. Say, hey, Jermaine, I just crossed your video about the recruiting workshop, and you want the replay, or you want to still be added, to our amazing community, which I will share more about in just a moment. Be sure to just send me a message or just put in there, like, I want the replay in the comments below. Do something, and that way I can add you. All right. So what you're going to learn on this workshop tomorrow night at 8 p.m. You will learn the foundation to recruiting more people with less effort. All right. Now, let me ask you, how would it feel to just know how to recruit more people with less effort? What I mean by less effort, like Have you been to the point where it seems like you are trying to convince people to join you? You're trying to convince people how amazing your opportunity is, or you're trying to convince people on the possibility of changing their life, right? If this is something that you have experienced, or maybe you're experiencing right now, let me know, right? Put the number 2 if you have experienced this, and you may want to learn how to create the basic foundation to recruiting more people. And that's the thing. When I first come into this industry, I didn't have a foundation. I was just going off pure excitement, pure off, what my upline was telling me to do. Didn't have any type of, skill set, right? And I fell on my face horribly. But the thing about it is, they say, fall 7 times, get up 8. And that's what allowed me to get to where I am right now, and even being able to connect with some pretty cool people, and be able to connect other people with the people that I'm now connected with, which has been an amazing journey. All right. But how would that feel, right? How would that feel to be able to know you can recruit more people with less effort? All right. You're also going to learn how to go from the struggle bus and onto the badass awesome stuff train, right? So the struggle bus is typically where everyone is at. It's where everyone is at that's in this industry that are using copy paste messaging, and you only have your one method of promoting your business or your products. You're spamming your friends and family. You are spamming your Facebook wall. You're doing it horribly, right? And it's not going to get you any results. I don't care how long you do it, right? Yeah, they say it's about the numbers, but I promise you this: if you get better at what you're doing, you won't have to go through as many people, right? If it takes you 1 out of 20 to close, how would it feel to be able to close 4 out of 10 by having the right mindset? I mean, the right skill set. And that's what you're going to learn. So you're going to learn how to go from the struggle bus to the awesome stuff train. All right. Also, you're going to learn how to go from not being liked to absolutely being loved. And let me tell you something. I've been through it. And look, it's people right now to this day that I've ruined relationships because I was spammy. I didn't know how to recruit. I didn't know how to position what I had, whether it was a product or a service. I didn't know how to do it. And there are relationships right now to this day, just being honest, that have been ruined, right? Because I didn't know what I was doing. Even after going back and saying, hey, look, I was super excited. I done things the wrong way, XYZ. Look, there are still people right now that don't care too much about me, right? But here's the beauty. There are so many more people that absolutely love the person that I've become. There are so many more people that I've helped to get better in their business, to recruit more people, make more money online. And just to think, I don't live my life by those that don't like me. I actually focus on getting better, which you're going to do tomorrow night, and be in a position to where I have more people that absolutely love me. So you're going to learn that as well. And how to stop wasting time with pity customers. And we all know what pity customers are, right? They're customers that we have to, chase down for a year, 2 years, and they finally buy a product, and they try the product 1 month, right? You never hear from them again, or they're too pitiful to give you a testimonial. They're too pitiful to pick up the phone again because they feel like you're gonna make them buy more products, right? If this is something that's familiar to you guys, put the number 3, right? Because you want to be here. You want to be here. You know what I mean? And you're also, like I said, I want to ask you guys, like, how would it feel to be able to recruit more people who make more money than you? And I know this was a game changer for me because we always try to go for the people that need what we're offering, like the people that need money, instead of going for the people that want what we're offering, that want to take their life or their business or whatever to the next level, right? So you're going to learn some pretty cool things where you're able to recruit people that make more money than you, like, business professionals and doctors and chiropractors, right? You're going to have the confidence and the skill set to know how to approach these people the right way, right? So my question to you is, what would it do for your belief, right? Everything that I just shared, what would it do for your belief? To be able to, like Yvonne say, to go from a 6 to an 8. right? What would it do for your belief to go from where you are right now and increase 20, 30, 40% better, right? What would your belief do for your business, right? Just by you thinking another way, just by you having the mindset, the skill set, everything, you got it. What would that do for your business? And most importantly, what would your business do for your life? By you learning what you need to learn in order to take your business to the next level, to recruit more people. Like they say, recruiting solves that money problem. So when you learn how to recruit, you can actually solve a lot of your money issues, right? So what would that do for your life? You know what I mean? So for those that are still on board, do me a favor. If you like money and prizes, put the money emoji in the actual comments below. If you like money and prizes, let me see them money bags, right? Put them money bags out there. So here's the deal. Here is a few bonuses that you would get just by joining us Wednesday night. Okay, absolutely free. Here are some of the bonuses and prizes, and there will be a little bit more detail once you make the decision to say, yeah, I want to be part of this community, part of this training. I want to get better, right? Here are some of the things that you're going to get. You're going to get access to our free Facebook community, right? Our free Facebook community, which is off the chain, by the way. Like, I'm in a few groups, but I promise you, there's no other community out there like this community that we have, the family and the relationship that we have created, in this network marketing space, right? My trainers, my mentors, they have done a phenomenal job of building a toxic free community, and we are all looking to grow, get better. And I promise you, we have a lot of fun. You're going to have a lot of fun tomorrow night. Also, you're going to get access to weekly coaching, right? So you'll be actually part of our Q&A sessions that happen live, right? So I don't know if you guys are investing in any coaching right now, but coaching can get a bit pricey, right? So these coaches, these industry leaders will actually take their time each and every week to get you even better, right? To dial in, answer your questions that probably your sponsors or your upline cannot even answer, right? Some cool challenges to help stretch yourself. And the thing about it is, you got to understand, in order for you to make the money you want to make, live the life you want to live, experience the things you want to experience, you have to become a better version of yourself. You don't have to be anybody else. You just have to become a better version of yourself. So we have some cool challenges along with this workshop that you could be part of, that's going to help you to stretch yourself even further. All right. You're also going to get access to some meditation audios. All right. And I don't know if you guys meditate or not. I know most people are like, well, I just go to sleep or it's boring. Look, we're going to show you how to meditate the right way. You know what I mean? So we got some amazing meditation audios that you're going to absolutely fall in love with. And also, you're going to get access to the 6-figure roadmap to success. Now, most people, you might be thinking like, well, you don't see yourself making 6 figures. But what if that 6-figure roadmap can help you to make an extra $2,000 a month? What if that 6-figure roadmap can help you to make an additional $500 in your business per month, right? So the thing is, once you have that roadmap, you can go as far as you would like to go. And I know everyone has different goals, right? You're also going to have access to our 7-figure Friday recording. So basically, we have some previous recorded videos where my mentors have taken industry leaders that have made 7 figures or more, and you get to dive into their brain, right? You get to see how they operate their day. You get to hear them answer questions. And I promise you, it's so much value alone in the 7-figure Friday. Like, it's going to blow you up. It's going to blow your mind, and so much more, right? Just for showing up. So I'm going to give, now, if that's, like I said, if that's something that you guys are super excited about, do me a favor, right? Put in the comments below me. All right. Put in the comments below me, and I actually give you access into this group. Also for the Wednesday night, and give you the link to the Wednesday night training as well. So here's a little bit about, here's what it look like behind the scene. All right. So basically, when you decide to join this Wednesday night training, you're going to get access to these 4 things, this, which is just the basic, which is free. All right. And you're going to get, like I said, the live coaching each and every Monday. You're going to also get some tools and resources, some PDF downloads. You're also going to get the 7-figure Friday, like I just mentioned, right? And like I said, you're also going to get meditation audios, so I mean, it's endless possibilities. All right. So if you guys would like to be part of this amazing community, this amazing training Wednesday night, guys, get better at recruiting. Learning how to recruit can solve your money problem. Right. So for the people that are not in business, like you just may have got kind of caught up in the video and you was like, wow, it's like they're having a ball over there. Look, don't sweat it. All right. Let's say you're not in any network marketing business, or you haven't started a home-based business, or maybe you're considering starting a home-based business, or maybe you just one of these type of people that say, you know what, I like money, I like prizes. If you are that person, be sure to put the number 5, okay? Put the number 5 if you are not in a business, if you may have been considering home-based business, or maybe you just want to make some extra money, right? Put the number 5, and I have something special for you. All right. So inviting you to a recruiting workshop and you're not in any type of business yet it's not feasible, right? It doesn't make sense. So I want things to make sense for you guys. So, and I don't want to miss anyone, right? Because I know situations change. You know what I mean? You may be closed-minded this month, 3 months later, your husband, your wife, your boyfriend lose their job, or you end up getting injured, and now you like, man, I need some money. Why not learn how to make some residual income, some passive income? That way, God forbid if anything happened, you do have the skill set, and you have the actual vehicle to create you some residual passive income. All right. So I thank you guys for tuning in, listening in. All right. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow night. And if you're catching this video, like I said, late, go back and watch the replay. And also, if you're catching this video past the date of this actual webinar, we do have the recording. Just either put in the comments below me or replay, or send me a personal message and say, hey, look, I'd like to get access to the replay of the recruiting workshop. And I got you, right? So I'm out of here, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy, J. Cobb. Be humble, be consistent,